This 2017 Keystone Montana Legacy 3911FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 5 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Montana Legacy 3911FB is 12,730 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.